So I'm on this short position right now on GG. As you can see around this zone, I enter shorts and we are at London section right now. So potentially I see price dropping all the way down to this structure point here, down to here. So yeah, let's see how this position goes. Let me take you to trading view so that I can explain my thought process around this position and why I entered. So yeah, boom. Now on GJ, you could see that we had this double top, right? And I've been saying on my previous videos that we are just waiting for price to make a new lower high, right? Because this double top means rejection, right? Is a reversal pattern, right? And the reversal pattern means we want to switch from being bullish, which is the overall trend, to being bearish. Now we being going bearish is just basically mean that we are going to make a counter trend in this overall trend, right? So since we are going bearish, right, what we'll do is wait for price to make a low. After a low, wait for price to make a new lower high for we to enter. So this potentially could be a new lower high. Now, why did I say this is a potential lower high? If you look at the structure here, you can see how we switch. Now this was a high, then a higher low, then a higher high. Then we broke structure. We broke below this last higher low zone. We push all the way up to retest around this zone. And once I got that rejection of this zone, I enter short. If you go to the 1 hour, if you look at the price action, you can see that just same thing I explained. We just switch. This is a switch of structure. So this retracement, right? This is potentially telling us that okay, this retracement, we are done with this retracement. Because on the retracement, we are making higher highs and higher lows. But right now, what we did was we dropped down to make a new low and we make a lower high. So do you get what I'm trying to say? So we have switched from that bullish structure, which is higher highs and higher lows, right? We switch all the way now to making lower low. We make a lower low and lower highs potentially. So once I see that switch of structure, this is potentially telling me that okay, from this zone we should see price dump. So I closed that position around this zone here. I think up here, around here. That's where I closed the position. So from that zone, we drop down to this zone. And there's a strong support around this zone here. And I see price just rejecting off of this zone. So I liquidated that position. This is it here. You can see the sales, different sales. This is when I liquidated the position. Or this is where I liquidated it at. If you look at the daily, you can see the zone, the strong support where price